Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you also looking for the perfect set of vanity lights? Then look no further. These vanity lights are perfect for any vanity setup. I absolutely love how bright the lights are, because as you can see in the video, they illuminate the entire room. And because they're so bright, I've been able to use my vanity for lots of different things, like doing my hair in the morning, or even doing my makeup. And because I'm able to put it all around, they illuminate all areas of your face, which I do appreciate. And these LED lights are very low-key. They don't stand out and don't bring too much attention away from your beautiful vanity setup. I also appreciate the long length of these strips because previously the other strips that I've bought are too short and don't make it all the way around my mirror. I also love that you can dim these lights as you please using the knob that they come with. To the left, you can make it dimmer, or if you turn it to the right, the lights are brighter. And because of this customization, you can use these lights for all kinds of things, for doing your makeup or even for lighting in your videos, whatever the case may be. To be honest, these vanity lights were a game changer for me, but that's just my point of view.